clicked on SofTutor, and it'll take a couple of seconds to come up. The ideal thing about SofTutor, the really nice thing, is it runs with MicroStation. It actually runs on top of MicroStation. Let me show you how SofTutor works. I'm going to click on here, Element Modification, scroll down, and find something called IntelliTrim. Let me play it.
Yet one more way to trim is...
Now I want to pause it. Again, we don't like to read when we learn, or at least we found out a lot of people don't like to read. You can turn on scrolling text. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the corresponding example file. I go into MicroStation, do File, Open, and now I'm going to look for 7.7 or 7_7. There it is. I click on it, choose OK, and there's IntelliTrim. Press play, and I can follow along with them.
Options. First of all, go down to the section here on the main toolbar where you see
watch what
Modify.
he's clicking on,
down,
and I follow along with
the command
him.
you want, this icon with a light bulb, IntelliTrim.
Okay.
Then we have some options on the tool settings box, as you can see here. We have quick, trim, and
I'm
also
following along
extend
right in
and
this
cut.
area here.
You also have under trim, go back up again, we can come over and select mode for advanced. Advanced trim and advanced extend.
Actually follow along with this.
Let's go to the quick operation and say we want to trim something. First of all, we select the element we want to trim as the trimming element. Now we are prompted to enter a start point of the line. And this is where we click a point and another point and place the mouse and click point over those lines, and you see what we've done, and then reset. We've used this as the cutting element, and we've kind of scratched a line across the elements we want to remove. Again, take the element you want to trim, or this is a trimming element, and then come over and click a point, and then another point, and then reset. You see how that's done that. Just trim those lines off.
Now I can continue to play through this lesson if I choose to, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hit pause here just to give you an idea of how SofTutor works.